I know. Not too bad. Can get this back down off in there. Let's see. Red memory. King Ranch. Let's see. You think I'm in first gear, but I'm actually in park. The shifter's all cattywampus. I don't really know what's going on there, but let's get to testing all this stuff. Let me kick this on.
Endings are the hardest part of
in our grandma's house when we was kids.
Because life hits you.
Like the serenity prayer. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. You know when you absolutely positively will relinquish all control? When you realize you don't have any. We don't control nothing. All we do is wake up in the morning, pray, do our affirmations, and go out into the world, and we are a subject to whatever the world brings us that day.
Easier said than done for a lot of people.
Well, you better do it. Let's go to the phone lines. Who's this?
It's Free.
Free, what's happening, my brother?
What's going on, man?
How are you applying the Lectin theory to your life, King?
Well, first off, I didn't even know that it was called the Lectin theory. I just, about 3 years ago, I mean, let's just keep it gangster. About 37, 35 years of my life, I was just a complete piece of shit, you know. You know what I'm saying? All that, selling drugs, you know, wild as shit.
Sunroof
Crazy, everything that comes with it, dead friends and the da-da-da. And about 3 years.
Side cams.